Good morning to all the students of class 7. So today we will continue chapter profit and loss and exercise 9.1. So take out your books and open page number 129. Okay. And see in question number 11. We had already done up to 9 and so we will start today from 11. See, A buys a TV set for 18,000 and sells it to B at a gain of 12%. B sells it to C at a gain of 8%. At what price will C buy the TV set? That means first A buys the TV. Whenever he will buy, that will be the cost price. So the cost price of A was rupees 18,000 and the gain percentage was given, that is 12. But we have to find the selling price. So the formula will be 100 plus gain percentage minus multiply by CP by 100. So 100 plus gain percentage is equal to 112. So 112 into CP is already known, 18,000 by 100. So by doing this we will get this answer. But whenever you will find this answer, this is the selling price of A. But when he sells to A and B buys, when he sells to A and B buys from him, so that will be the B's cost price, right? Because he already, suppose you sell something to your friend and that thing is belonging to him or her right now, and whenever that thing is belonging to him or her, that means that is the cost price of that thing belonging to him or her, right? So it is the selling price of A, but it is the cost price of B. And cost price of B, and when the B sells to C, gain percentage was 8%. And again we have to find out the selling price of B. Selling price of B, again the same formula. And whenever we will find this answer and he will sell to C, this will become cost price of C. And the cost price of C will be this one. And so this one will be the answer. Okay. See number 13. By selling a wood at rupees 150 per quintal, I lost 25%. At what price per quintal I buy it? So we know the selling price from here 150 and loss percentage is 25%. And so when we have to find the loss percentage, we know the loss percentage, but when we have to find out the CP, the formula will be SP multiplied by 100 multiply 100 minus loss percentage. 100 minus loss percentage, 100 minus 25, that is 75. And SP we all know 100 will be 100 and 100 minus loss percentage is equal to 75. Then we will do this calculation and get your answer. Okay. Next, see number 15. 15 is very important. See, if it cost a carpenter rupees 900 to make a table and rupees 400 to make a chair, he sold the table at a profit of 8% and chair at a profit of 2%. What was his total profit per percent in this transaction? First, CP of the chair we know and CP of the table we know, and the profit is also given. But whenever we will know the CP, we have to find out the SP. And to find out the SP of the chair, first we have to follow this formula. That means 100 plus profit percentage. 100 plus profit percentage, that means 100 plus 8. 100 plus 8. Sorry, this will be table and this will be chair. This will be table and this will be chair. Okay. So 102 multiplied by 400. That means by doing this multiplication you will get 408. And SP of the chair is 100 plus profit, because 100 plus 8. That means 108 multiplied by 900. 108 multiplied by 900 into 100. Okay. So we will get this rupees 972. So from here we get the two SPs. So the total SP and total CP. We have to find total SP, that means 972 plus 408. Okay, that means rupees 1380, and we know the total CP, that is 900 plus 400, that is rupees 1300, and profit. And from here, when we know the SP and CP, from here we can find out profit, because the formula of profit is SP minus CP. So SP and CP, 1380 minus 1300, that is 80. And from here we will find out the gain percentage, that is profit by CP multiplied by 100. That means profit will be 80 and CP we all know 1300 by 100, and this will get, we will get this, and then we will keep it into mixed fraction. Okay, next see number 17. A shopkeeper bought 5 fans at rupees 1000 each. Later he found that one fan was defective, so he sold it at a loss of 20%. At what price should he sell the remaining fans if he wants to make an overall profit of 20%? That means price of one fan is rupees 1000 and price of 5 fans will be rupees 1000 multiplied by 5. We all know that. That means 5000, and profit is given. And we all know that we have to, when we have to find the profit, that means SP minus CP, but we don't know the value of SP, so keep it as SP only, SP minus 5000. But we know the profit percentage and we have to find out the SP, so we have to follow this formula. Profit percentage equals to profit by CP multiplied by 100, and profit percentage, in place of profit percentage we will put the profit percentage 20. So profit is equal to SP minus CP, we all know that, and profit percentage is given, and so we have to first find out the SP. So we will put this formula, profit percentage equals to profit by CP multiplied by 100. We have to put the value of the profit percentage here and value of profit here, and then CP, value of CP multiplied by 100. So by cutting the 0, we will get SP minus 5000 by 50. Okay, that means 50 multiplied by 20. So SP minus 5000 is equal to 20 multiplied by 50, that is 1000. So we have to find out the SP, and here it is minus, so when it will go to this side it will get add. Okay, so 1000 plus 5000 is equal to 6000, that means SP is equal to 6000. But now we have to find out SP of one defective fan. SP of one defective fan will be, we know the price of one defective fan is 1000, and he had given discount up to, he had made a loss up to 20%. So on 1000 he had made a loss, because the price of one fan is 1000. So 1000 multiplied by 20 by 100, that means 200. So 1000 minus 200 is equal to 800. And the SP of the remaining fans, there was 5 fans, so the remaining fan will be 4 fans. SP of 4 fans will be, the total SP will be 6000, and the SP of one fan is 800. So the SP of 4 fan will be, we have to minus this SP of one fan from the total. So 6000 minus 800, that is 5200. But now SP for one fan is equal to 5200 by 4. Okay, so the answer will be now 1300, and this will be the final answer. Okay, next see number 19. In number 19, a dealer bought an article for rupees 3000 and rupees 200 was spent on its transportation. At what price should it be sold to have a gain of 35%? That means total CP will be 3000 plus 200, that is rupees 3200, and gain percentage is given, and we have to find out the SP of that article. And SP of that article, 100 plus gain percentage multiplied by CP by 100. So by putting this formula and putting the values, we will get this answer. Next, see number 21, the cost price of an article is 402 and the selling price is 7 by 6 times of its cost price. This line is very important. cost price is given and selling price is 7 by 6 times of the cost price. Of means multiply, and we all know the cost price, that means 7 by 6 of 402, and by doing this we will get 469. And the first question is the selling price of the article. We had already find out the selling price of the article. So the first question's answer is 469. But the next question is the profit or loss as percentage. Find the profit or loss as percentage. So from here we can easily see that CP is equal to 422 and selling price is more than that. So here it is profit obviously. So the profits formula is SP minus CP. That means 469 minus 402, it will be 67. But we have to find out the profit percentage. So the profit percentage formula is profit by CP multiplied by 100. And the profit is 67 by CP is equal to 402 multiplied by 100. And by doing this, we will get this answer. Okay, students. So here we will end this chapter, and in the next day we will continue with simple interest. Okay, thank you, students.